Retrieving parameters from a URL. Given a URL like the following, how can I parse the value of the query parameters? For example, in this case I want the value of some_key. I am using Django in my environment. Is there a method on the request object that could help me? I tried using self.request.get some_key, but it is not returning the value some_value as I had hoped.
This is not specific to Django, but for Python in general. For a Django-specific answer, see this one from HBall037. Python 2. Python 3. Parse_QS returns a list. The 0 gets the first item of the list, so the output of each script is some_value. Here's the parse_QS documentation for Python 3.
I'm shocked this solution isn't on here already. Use. This will get the variable from get dictionary, and return the variable_name a value if it exists, or a none object if it doesn't exist.
For Python is greater than 3.4.
There is a new library called furl. I find this library to be most Pythonic for doing URL algebra. To install. Code.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.